In this video, we'll be looking at navigation in Moodle. Now, one of the first things we need to do as a student is to log in. I'll be logging in as student 1, and as you can see from the home page, I was able to log in. Sometimes in some Moodle installations, if you don't see the login on the home page where you can enter username and password, is usually an area known as login at the upper right hand corner. Now that I've logged in, a list of courses will appear. That will be in the My Courses area, as you can see right here. What I'm seeing now is a list of courses, and as you can see, I'm only enrolled into one course. So I'll be clicking into this course, and the breadcrumb has appeared. This breadcrumb is coming from the concept of Hansel and Gretel, where the deeper you go into a forest, well, the deeper they went into a forest, they lay a trail of breadcrumbs. And the idea was that to find their way back home, they would just follow that trail of breadcrumb. Well, it didn't work out so well for them, but it will work for us. So now that the breadcrumb has appeared, what you'll realize that we're coming from the home page. We have just logged in, we've just clicked on a course. So this is the home page. So at any point in time we want to get back to the home page, or want to get back to our list of courses, we can always click here. In this case, you're seeing the word train. In the case of a different university, you might see the abbreviation for the university or the abbreviation for their distance center or their distance online course center. So in the case of, say, University College of the Caribbean, you will be seeing UCC or UCCDEGL. For UTech, you might be seeing UTech. Different institutions use different abbreviations. So now that we're in our course, let's look at the breadcrumb a bit more. I'm going to click into this area known as resources, and if you pay attention to the breadcrumb, you'll realize that the breadcrumb has changed. So we now have the addition of resources on our breadcrumb. So we're in resources, which is in this course, which is in this training website. So at any point in time I want to get back to the main course area, I can always click on the course code. And if I want to get back to the home page, I can always click here. But let's go a bit deeper into Moodle and see what happens to the breadcrumb. So I just clicked on Training Agenda, which is in resources. So I'm now in Training Agenda, which is a resource, which is in this course, which is in this training website. So at any point in time I want to get back to the main course area, I can always click here, or if I want to get back into resources, I can always click here. The next thing that we look at in terms of navigation in Moodle is the drop down menu. It's not so much of a popular way because it's not always visible to the user. So if I'm in a resource, I'm in a risk assignment or some other activity in Moodle, this drop down box will appear. And as you can see, it's not as nicely organized as the breadcrumb. The breadcrumb is showing you where we're coming from. However, this is organized by blocks in Moodle, and that's not something that we'll get into right now. But as you can see, on the resources 1, that we have some topics. On the resources 2, we have some additional activities. On the activities, we have, on the assignments, we have some additional activities. But for now, let's just concentrate on the breadcrumb. As I said, it's the most popular way to navigate. So let's get back into the main course area. Well, let's go into a different area of Moodle. So let's look at assignments. So now that I click on assignments, the breadcrumb has changed. So we're now in the assignments area, which is in this course. Let's look at this assignment known as class participation. We click on class participation, and it has now been added to the breadcrumb. So class participation is an assignment which is in this course, which is in this training website. So if I want to get back to the main course area, I can always click on the course code. And if I want to get back to the home page of the website or the course selection area, I can always click on that link right there. So that's it for navigating in Moodle.